How to File Taxes in Germany Step-by-Step Guide for Beginners 2025 Living in Germany and Wondering How to File Your Taxes. Whether you're an employee, freelancer, or international student, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the German tax system, deadlines, deductions, and the filing process using Elster and other tools. Stick around until the end. I'll also share tips on how to increase your refund legally and avoid common mistakes. Who needs to file taxes in Germany? In Germany, not everyone has to file a tax return, but many people benefit from doing so. You must file. If you have multiple income sources, you're self-employed or a freelancer, you receive unemployment benefits or parental allowance, you and your spouse earn different incomes and use tax class combination. 3/5 you earned income abroad, you should file if you want to claim deductions for work-related expenses. Donations or insurance, you want to recover overpaid income tax. Many employees get refunds. Fun fact, around 90% of employees who file voluntarily in Germany get an average refund of 1,000 euros or more. Tax year plus deadlines. The German tax year runs from January 1st to December 31st. Deadlines 31 July 2025. For filing the previous year's return, if you do it yourself, 28 February 2026. If you use a certified tax advisor, Steuerberater, missing deadlines may result in penalties and late fees, so it's better to file early. Documents you need to file your tax return. Collect the following: Steueridentifications, tax ID, Lohnsteuerbechrung, your annual income statement from your employer bank, account details, IBAN for refunds, insurance documents, health, pension, liability, etc., invoices, receipts for deductible expenses, certificates for donations, student loan or tuition fee receipts. If applicable, income statements from freelance or side jobs. Keep digital or paper copies organized. The Finanzamt tax office may request them. How to file taxes step by step. There are several ways to file your tax return in Germany. Option 1. Elster Online, official tool. Register at Elster. To set up your account and digital certificate. This may take a few days. Select income tax return. Einkommenssteuererklärung. Enter personal details, tax ID, marital status, etc. Enter income from your Lohnsteuerbechrung deductions, work expenses, insurance, donations, review and submit. Option 2. Tax software, beginner-friendly. Apps like WonderTax, TaxFix or SmartSteuer make it much easier. You answer simple questions in English or German, and the software fills out the official forms. Option 3. Hire a tax advisor, Steuerberater, best for freelancers, business owners or complex cases. They handle everything but charge fees, usually starting from 300 euros per return. Tax rates and classes. Table of tax rates. Germany uses a progressive tax system, meaning the more you earn, the higher your tax rate. Up to 11,604 euros to 0%, tax-free. Allowance 2025, 11,605 euros, 66,760 euros. 14% to 42%, progressive 66,761 euros. Euro 277,825 to 42% above. Euro 277,826 to 45%, top tax rate. In addition, solidarity surcharge 5.5%, may apply. Church tax 8 to 9%. If you're registered with a church. Also note Germany's 6 tax classes, Steuererklärung, which affect how much tax is withheld from your salary. Married couples can often save money by choosing the right class combination. Deductions and allowances. Claiming deductions, Werbungskosten, is the key to maximizing your refund. Common deductions include commuting costs, 30 cents per kilometer one way, home office, expense, work-related tools, laptops, and training courses, relocation costs for job purposes, childcare expenses, up to 2/3 deductible donations to charities, medical and health insurance contributions, tuition fees for professional development. Even if you don't provide receipts, you automatically get a 1,200 euros employee lump sum deduction 2025. Common mistakes to avoid these errors: forgetting to declare side income, freelancing, crypto or rental income, not keeping receipts for big expenses, filing late without an extension, claiming personal expenses as business ones forgetting to? Update your bank details in ELSTR. Remember, the Finanzamt checks carefully. Honesty saves you stress later. Special cases, students, freelancers, expats, students, tuition fees, laptops, and course costs may be deductible. You may not get an immediate refund, but you can carry forward losses to reduce future taxes. Freelancers must declare income and expenses, may need to pay VAT, Steuer, and make quarterly advance tax payments. Expats, new residents. If you stay more than 183 days in a year, you're a tax resident and must declare worldwide income. Check for double taxation agreements between Germany and your home country. Refunds and payments after submission. The Finanzamt reviews your return. If you've overpaid, you'll get a refund directly to your bank account, usually within 612 weeks. If you owe taxes, you'll receive a bill with a payment deadline. Installment options are available if you can't pay at once. Tips to maximize your refund. Here are some quick refund boosting tips. File early. Don't wait until the last minute always. Keep digital copies of receipts. Claim commuting and home office costs. Use tax software. If you're new, it pays for itself and refunds if you're married. Check which tax class combination saves you most. Filing taxes in Germany may seem complicated, but with Elster, tax apps, or a good advisor, it's manageable and you'll likely get money back. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Knowledge Grid, and share this video with anyone new to the German tax system. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. We reply to